let me see if after receiving call, you still have time, I will play it. Otherwise, or maybe we'll come back for a different program on that. But let me just allow you to run, just finish the random. Let me answer that call because there's someone that's calling and I want to answer his, the first call.
You see, what I want to say before I round up is this. Any day, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze started to reply this, I don't know. That day she will understand. She is going to say that she is insulting her. I'm telling you, any day Dr. Ngozi started to reply these lies now. That day she will remember that she is 72 years old woman. That why should Ngozi come out and insult 72 years old woman? This is where I want to stop.
Honestly, I'm not expecting. If CS reply, I will not feel happy. I don't expect CS to even to cough on her behalf. Let it just ignore her totally. She know what she's doing. Let's go, okay, now go for what are you talking about? Can you name CS go reply to her? Or even what do you expect CS to talk actually? I mean that not even in the cabinet can see through all these things, right? It's a waste of time. I don't expect CS to come out and say, okay, I don't know who said this. No. Just allow her. Can you have like her judge? You understand? Let her say whatever she wants to say.
If you watch the last court, Mazina Decano appear in the court, you will see when that woman asked her how is she feeling. That finger, the man just raised finger up, and the same finger, all of them are calling that this woman a Muslim, you say an Islamic or whatever they.
My brother, these people, I told someone that even if CS did not do anything at all, like to link her to any Muslim or Islamic whatever they are talking about, they will tell you that they saw her trying to kill mosquito, and the way she clapped her hands sounds like a Muslim woman. That do you know that she added force on that, and that her hand produced a lot of sound, like what a Muslim woman would do. They must lay hand on something. That's what you need to know. They know what they're doing. That's the annoying part of it. They know they're not saying all those things out of ignorance. When I played this program of Adada Rama here, you understand that some of us actually believe that she's saying what she's saying out of ignorance or because of her own level of education. These people are wired like that. This is who they are. So, my brother, thank you so much for your time.
Listen this thing I want to say now. Listen this thing. I don't want to divert. I don't want to divert to another thing, another place. But I want you to listen this thing that I want to say. You see, something happened in Nigeria, right? Something happened that Bola Tinubu removed the governor of Port Harcourt, right? Yes. Obasanjo said something to Nigeria. Obasanjo told Nigeria just yesterday. Obasanjo told them that you see this thing Bola Tinubu did to Port Harcourt now. That any Hausa man that take a president to become a president of Nigeria can remove somebody from Lagos, and when he removes governor from Lagos, only that time they will know the problem. This is Bola Tinubu did. This is where I want to wrap it up.
Thank you so much. To be honest with you, I don't give a damn on this. If you want to let them remove the six state of governors, the six governors, it won't change anything. That's why I say I don't care about it, and not because of Biafra or anything, but anything is possible in Nigeria. You understand? Anything is possible. So thank you, my brother. God bless you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Let me call back. Just a moment. Good morning.
Am I coming out?
Yeah, you are coming out. Everybody, we can hear you very.
Okay, I know this will be surprising, but to you, to Biafrans, yes. Yeah, but I think I just want to make a remark, not taking so much of your time.
Okay,
this is Dr. Agi. Secretary of Information.